Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Kamusta naman ang Valentine's ninyo? This year, I surprised my 2 DLCs and treat them to a very nice and luxurious Valentine's dinner here at the Fullerton Hotel. This is our second time visiting Fullerton Hotel. The first one, nag-check-in kami dito parang mga 3 years ago. And talaga namang nag-enjoy kami sa service nila at sa lahat ng amenities at pati mga dining options. Kaya naman, this time, bumalik kami dito kasi meron din silang promotion na Let's Meet for Valentine's Dinner Buffet. Featuring a wide array of premium meats and Asian-inspired creations na mga desserts, kaya naman hindi namin to papalampasin. Town Restaurant is located here at the lobby level at yan, sinalubong na nga kami ng mababait na staff. Nagpa-reserve pala ako dito parang mga 2 weeks ago, first week ng February kasi lagi silang fully booked. Yung table namin, katabi lang nitong appetizers section, kaya naman, based ang pagkuha namin ng mga food. Nandito rin sa tabi namin yung mga drinks, so may choices sila ng pineapple juice, lime juice, coffees and teas. Tapos yan, unlimited steak. It's a black Angus ribeye steak pa yan, guys. They have also this very juicy and tender Korean chicken and Peranakan fish mouse soup. Ang sarap niyan as a starter. Here is their pork belly with basil leaves and curry leaves. And ito naman talagang favorite ni Resty, beef rendang. Here naman is their version of Thailand chicken called Kai Pachok. Dahil mahilig ako sa moton, tuwan-tuwa ako dito sa moton, masak mera. Pagtingin nyo sa bandang right side, nandiyan naman lahat ng Indian cuisines. Panalo dito ang lamb rogan josh. Grabe, nakataluang balik ako at syempre tong basmati rice. Dito naman yung mga Chinese dish, kasama na rin tong special salad nila. Exotic beef salad using Australia MB2 grain-fed meat. And dito naman sa side na to ang mga desserts, both hot and cold. Meron boboy chacha, meron ding cold desserts like ice kachang and make your own chendol. Alam nyo, sa sobrang daming pagkain, hindi ko na to napuntahan. Hindi ko na nabalikan yung cheese and cold cuts section. Dito naman section na to ang Thai style grilled barbecue pork. And officially, this is my first plate. Nadaanan ko din itong mga chicken rice and my favorite braised duck. Mamaya babalikan ko yan. Then, super happy naman tong anak ko kasi may pa-flowers and cookies pa ang Fullerton Hotel. Thank you! Pag-akyat nyo naman ang first level, makikita nyo naman itong selection ng different kinds of soup and noodles. So, meron kayong laksa and banh mian. Siyempre, ang highlight, seafood. Grabe, tingnan nyo, kompleto sila from prawn to crab legs. May lobster at different kinds of shellfish. Katabi naman yan, siyempre, ang Japanese food, hindi yan mawawala. Kompleto ang smoked salmon nila, sashimi, kompleto rin, tuna, salmon. Tapos, meron din silang soba, make your own soba, prawn tempura, at kimchi, at lahat ng condiments. O, diba? Talagang mahihilo kayo kung anong uunahin nyo dito. At syempre, I think this is always the highlight of Fullerton Hotel, ang dessert. Tingnan nyo naman, buong area na yan, yung buong circle na yan, puro yan dessert. Kaya, feeling ko talaga yung charge nila na 98 plus per packs, sulit na sulit. Kasi hindi lang talaga meat yung kinumpleto nila dito, pati yung experience nyo for desserts and sweets. Grabe yung macarons nila. Mas masarap pa talaga sa authentic France macarons na binili namin. The best. Parang iniikot ko pa lang to, nabusog na ako sa sobrang daming spread. Lahat yan, tinikman namin dahil talaga meron kaming sweet tooth. At yan, may mga pralines pa sila. Kompleto sila ng mga egg tart, may onde-onde dessert, and all kinds of cakes. Grabe, lahat yan tinikman ko. Pero meron talagang tumatak sa akin dito, which is this one. Para siyang cheesecake na may red bean. Grabe yung combination ng sarap. While resting, after 2 hours, dahil busog na kami, it's time for gift giving. Tingnan nyo naman ang art ng aking baby. Nakakakilig. Thank you, baby, for always thinking about mommy and tatay. We love you so much. At dahil feeling ko nga, nag-gain na kami ng 5 kilo, naglakad-lakad kami dito sa Fullerton Hotel. Sa baba may toilet, makikita nyo itong madaming koi fish at nagpiano pa nga dyan ng aking baby. Sa lobby level, meron din sila nitong bar. So, kung may time pa kayo, talagang meron pa kayong energy, pwede kayong magpunta dito for some drinks. Niyaya ko pang maglakad ang dalawang mag-ama dahil naman talagang puputok na ang aking tiyan. My connection from Fullerton Hotel, tas ang labas nyo is the magnificent Singapore City View. Kaya naman, try nyo rin to. Walang katao-tao during this time. This is around 11 p.m. At paglabas nyo dito is the Merlion Park at saka katabi lang niyon yung Raffles Place MRT. At ito na nga, surprise! guys, nag-dinner na kayo ng masarap, may kasama pang sightseeing. Kasi talagang paglabas nyo dyan, yan na, makikita nyo na yung view ng MBS. Tapos konting lakad na lang, makikita nyo na si Merlion, Esplanade, at Singapore Flyers. So kung may mga bisita kayong pupunta na Singapore, don't miss this spot. O siya, ang haba na. Bye everyone, a cruise!